Our main task today is to design a fish using the various tools available in the SketchUp app. It's fun and creator exercise that will help you become more familiar with how digital drawing works. So let's get started by opening the SketchUp app. First, we'll begin with freehand drawing without color. This is the most basic type of sketching, where we use simple lines and curves to outline the shape of our fish. At this stage, we are not concerned with details or colors, just the forms and structure. Think of it as the blueprint for your final drawing. Next, we'll move to freehand drawing with color. This is where things start to get more form and expressive. Using the pen tools in SketchUp, we'll add color to our fish. We'll choose different shades for the body, fins, tail, and eyes. These tips helps bring your sketch to life and gives it a more polished look. Once we've completed our freehand drawings, we'll start working on the 2D version of the fish. This involves using straight lines, arcs, and geometric shape to create a clean and precise illustrations. Unlike freehand drawing, 2D drawing in SketchUp requires more accuracy, so we'll make use of green lines and measurement tools to ensure everything is in proportion. After finish the 2D drawing, we'll take a step further and create a 3D model of the fish. This is where SketchUp really shines. Using tools like push and pull, follow me, and orbit will turn our 2D drawing into a 3-dimensional figure. This part may take a little practice, but it's a great way to understand how objects look and function in real space.